This is something I do not do very often. I'm charging the batteries for a Phantom 4 Pro, a MAVIC Air, a Spark, and a MAVIC Pro. I'm going to need these for my next adventure. Alright, in this case over here I've got the MAVIC Pro and the Spark, and over here I have the MAVIC Air, and over here I have the Phantom 4. And let's get going. As luck would have it, I forgot my takeoff and landing pad, so option B is the floor mat from my car. That is going to be my takeoff and landing pad. Alright, this video is going to be about how well can you identify the footage, the video footage from a Spark, a MAVIC Air, a MAVIC Pro, or a Phantom 4 Pro. I'm out here tonight and I'm going to fly around my little soccer and football field and take a bunch of images, low, high, fast, slow, and then I'm just going to show you clips. Each clip is going to be maybe 5 or 10 seconds or even 3 seconds long. And in the corner, top right or top left, I'm going to put a number. So you're going to have a number from 1 to 4. Every time you see that number, that corresponds to a certain drone that took that footage. So say you keep seeing video with the number 2. Well, that number 2 is going to equal either the Spark, the MAVIC Air, the MAVIC Pro, or the Phantom 4 Pro. So it's up to you to keep track of what you're seeing, and then when we get to the end of this test, I'm going to show you what drone equals number 1, what drone equals number 2, what drone equals number 3, and what drone equals number 4. And we'll see how close you were to guessing which drone took the video footage. All right, y'all ready to play? Here we go. Oh, one thing I should mention, the Spark records at 1080p, but I'm not going to play back the video at 1080p because I'm upscaling it to 4K, because all the other drones are at 4K, so I'm also have the Spark at 4K as well. Now, another thing I should mention is I'm not playing with the exposure or any of the settings. All the drone cameras have been left on auto, so whatever image they're capturing on auto, that's what you're going to see. All right, enough jibber jabber, on with the test. right, you've seen all the footage, you've marked down which drone you thought was which. So here we go. Which drone was number 1, 2, 3, and 4? Well, I'm going to show you. Here we go. All right, so you've seen the test results. How did you do? Really well? Okay? Poorly? Well, it really doesn't matter because, as you probably know, when you upload a video to YouTube, YouTube uses, well, YouTube compression. So even though I had a Phantom 4 Pro, which has a 1-inch sensor on the camera and records at 100 megabits, when I upload that to YouTube, it might look kind of like that little 1080p Spark video when it gets all compressed. Or maybe it doesn't. I haven't reviewed the end result. So if you didn't do so well, maybe that's probably part of the reason you didn't do so well. But I'd like to know, how did you do? Be honest. Post your comments below and tell me how you did. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. More videos on the way, so hit that like button. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit the subscribe button because I got weekly videos on drone. Take care.